Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be dancing the merengue, and we're going to learn how to count the merengue with music. So good news, merengue is probably the easiest dance in general and also easiest to dance on the music because everything is consistent once we find that initial beat, okay? So our basic step that we're going to use, I'm going to start on my right foot, is just our stationary basic, which means I'm just marching underneath myself in place, okay? So you can count merengues in 4s or 8s typically. You can even count it in 2s, but today we're gonna count it in 8s, okay? That way we keep with the measures of music, or the bars of music. So starting on our right foot, we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Okay? Biggest thing is we just change our weight every single step no matter what. Even if you're moving side to side, forward and back, for example, you can check out our merengue stuff at our website, ballroom.com. We have a whole thing there, so go check it out. But we're going to try it with some music. You're going to try marching in place with me and getting that beat. This is a good way to practice finding the beat. The merengue music in general typically has a strong beat that you can hear and you're just stepping on every beat. It is a little bit faster than what we just did, so we're gonna go ahead and try it with the music now, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna face you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just find that beat, keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Alrighty guys, I hope you liked that tutorial on how to count the merengue with music. Any of the steps that we teach is the same with the music. Of course, the steps and the directions will vary, but the beat value will always stay the same, okay? So go check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, if you haven't, for merengue and much, much more up there, all ad-free, instant access. So go check it out. Also subscribe, like for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.